I would recommend all people just immediately make your decision and come to Dentacai. Hi, my name is Sarab. I came from Washington State, from US. I was looking for the best place to get my Hollywood smile. So I was searching on Facebook, then I get in contact by the WhatsApp app. I talked to the medical consultant and I was really impressed because they were so communicative. Then they sent me the link of the Dentacai YouTube channel. So I was watching all the patients' review, which made me really impressed. All Dentacai patients, they were so happy about their smile. They had great experience, whether the customer service, whether the professional work, whether all the staff help and translator, everything was really impressed. So when I came to Dentacai, my fears disappeared. I was so happy and I was comfortable that I did the best decision. From my first day at Dentacai, I was impressed with everybody here, starting from drivers, then the translators, which I really appreciate my translator, the medical consultant, then my professional dentist, Dr. Barish. He was the best. They were so helpful from the airport until they took me to the hotel. Then the appointment, they were on time. They were so punctual, so helpful, friendly. I usually like Istanbul. I've been here a couple times, but this time it was my best. So I can eat, I can smile, I can go for shopping because Dentacai made me so comfortable and happy with my results. So I think this time is my best one. I would recommend all people, don't think about any other place. Just immediately make your decision and come to Dentacai. Even in America, I couldn't find dentists like Dentacai. Thank you, Dentacai. I love you guys.